Are you failing your binary funded account challenge again and again? Or are you too scared to even buy one because you know you'll lose it? Or maybe you're still not profitable in binary trading. You've tried strategies, you've watched videos, nothing is giving you consistent results. Then let me tell you something straight. You are in the right video, and what I'm about to show you is going to change how you trade forever. I've built an all-in-one AI trading bot, a system that trades for you, passes funded challenges, maintains consistent profit, zero stress, zero guessing. This bot supports both Forex trading and binary options. Whether you have a funded account or a personal account, it works on both. Hey, I'm Shakib Sheikh. I've been trading for over 6 years. I have a free signal community where I've been post daily live and advanced signals, and we make consistent profits for 3 years. Join link is in the bio and comment box. All full tutorial videos are already posted on this channel. Now, let's get into it.
It's important to understand that trading carries risks and may lead to financial losses. This video is not a promotion of financial services and does not contain investment advice.
Before we start this video, make sure you like this video. Your support motivates me to create more videos for you. So smash that like button fast.
Let's start trading.
First, open our bot. Guys, this bot. Full use guide video I put on comment box. Now click binary trading button. Select market type to live market. Choose any currency pair to analyze. Now choose trading time. Supreme Pro AI now analyzing. Okay, our bot, give me sell signal with skewed time. Now let me enter my trade on binary funded broker. Successfully profit. Now let's trade on OTC market. On bot, click OTC market. Click Quotex OTC because binary funded broker OTC and Quotex OTC are same. Now choose any OTC market and trading time frame, same steps. Bot analysis, USD INR OTC. Our AI bot give me put sell signals on OTC pair. Let me execute my trade. Second trade, also successfully, non-martingale profit. Let's take more trades. Enjoy full video.
Try it yourself. This bot is available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it.
Join my Telegram community. The link is in my bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.